Hi, and welcome to a Firetip Trading tutorial, brought to you by Sonic Futures and Options. My name is Patrick Vahid, and I'll be walking you through some of the basics of this Firetip Trading Platform. Now, when you first open up the platform, if you notice, it's quite overwhelming. There are quite a few different boxes to choose from. What we're going to do for now is just close out all of the boxes except for the one on the top left-hand corner known as the Trading Matrix. We're going to do this just to kind of make it a little bit easier for you to follow along the tutorial. Now, the Trading Matrix is what is known as the heart and soul of this platform. It's going to give you streaming quotes for all markets. It'll give you the last price, the change on the day, the bid, the ask, etc. You can also add specific indicators by right-clicking on description and add those to your trading matrix. Let's say you want to take a look at the volume for that specific day. Click on volume, and if you notice, volume has now been added. To add a specific market to your trading matrix, you can either manually type in that contract symbol. Let's think of corn for now. Corns is at C1H. If you notice, March corn has now been added to your trading matrix. If you don't know the contract symbol, you can click on the green plus sign, which is Add Contract. Once you click on that, all the futures that we trade will pop up. If you notice, there are quite a few of them. If you wanted to narrow it down to specific market categories, you can click on Show All, change that to the grains, and only markets relating to grains will show up. Let's say you wanted to add soybeans. You can scroll down until you see soybeans. The front month right now would be January of 2011. Once you find your market, you can click on this green plus sign that says Add Contract. Close out of the box, and if you notice, now the soybeans are in your trading matrix. It shows you the last price, the change on the day, the bid, the ask, and the volume. Now, let's say you wanted to begin trading. You have a couple different options. The first one is to trade on the bottom of the trading matrix. This is geared for traders who want to just do a simple buy or sell. However, if you want to take your trading to the next level, you can click on the Place Order icon on the top of the trading matrix. This will bring up an order entry box for you. Let's say you're the type of trader who likes to have a specific risk going into a trade of, let's say, 6 cents on the soybeans. You would change the order type from a single to a one triggers one order. If you notice now, there are two legs of the order entry system, a buy and a sell. You could change the second leg from a limit to a stop and put it 6 cents below where you got filled. Then click Submit Order. Last thing we will show you is how to bring up a chart on the trading matrix. Select the market that you're likely to trade. We'll go to the E-mini S&P and then hit the chart window icon, which is one icon to the right of Place Order. And if you hold your mouse over it, it will bring up a toggle icon that says Chart Window. This brings up a standard 60-minute chart for soybeans. If you want to edit your chart or add a new chart, you can click on Add Duplicate Chart tab, which is the green plus sign. This brings up a duplicate chart tab where you can modify the specific type of chart you want to use. Instead of a 60-minute, let's say you want to look at a shorter time frame, you can type in 5-minute, change it from a medium bar width to a thick bar width, change it from a candlestick to a bar chart, and change the colors as well. Let's use blue. Once you're ready, you hit OK, and now that new chart will show up. If you notice, we now have a 5-minute along with the original 60-minute. And you can add as many charts as you want to your specific chart window. Let's add one more, and instead of minute charts, let's add a daily. You can also magnify using the plus or minus sign on the top right hand corner of the chart. Zooming in will make it closer. Zooming in will make it farther out. To add indicators or signal, you want to click on the Add Indicator or Signal icon. This brings up all the technical indicators that we provide. If you notice, there are quite a few. Let's say you want to add stochastics or a moving average. Just find your indicator, click on the green plus sign, change it to the specific entity you want. Let's use a 50-day moving average and hit OK. Now there's a 50-day moving average. Last thing you can do is trade right off of the chart by clicking with your right mouse anywhere on the chart, and you notice 4 different tabs show up. You can buy on a limit, sell on a stop, buy at the market, or sell at the market, depending on where you clicked on the chart. Last thing we'll show you in this Firetip trading tutorial is that there are fundamental data news being delivered directly into the platform. You can find out fundamental news by clicking on the news icon and narrowing down to specific categories that you're following. For instance, if you're a soybean trader or a corn trader, you can type in that specific market, corn, filter it out, and anything relating to corn will pop up for that day. Or gold. Anything relating to gold will pop up for that day. Double click on it and it will show you what it has to say about that market. These are the basics of the Firetip Trading Platform. Thank you for your time, and thank you for choosing Sonic Futures and Options.